Hello, Makeup Mandy here, and I am here because I heard you just got your new 3D Fiber Lash Plus mascara. So I wanted to show you how to apply it, as it is a little bit different, and I've learned a couple of tips and tricks. So as you can see right now, I already have the mascara on one eye, so I'm going to show you how to apply it on this eye. You're still going to have the two wands. You're going to still have the gel and the fiber. And what is great is you now have this window right here, which is going to show you as you're using your product when it's time to reorder. So that's absolutely fantastic. When I open up my gel, I am going to hold it and I'm going to push up on the wand, so that it is taking off any excess gel and leaving it in the tube itself. And that's really important because this gel is a little bit different. And if you use too much, it's going to get a little bit gloopy and glumpy and clumpy. So you don't want to do that. So as long as your bristles look like this, then all is good, where you can see the bristles. And you notice that it is shaped a little bit differently, which I love because you're able to get into the corners of your eye, get those little lashes right there. So what I'm doing here is I'm applying this mascara all over my lashes with a very, very light hand. You don't want to push too hard on those lashes, as it will cause some glumping and your lashes might start sticking together a little bit. So you want to get this all over. I'm using a light hand and I'm going back and forth. You also do not want to use a base mascara. With the other formula, sometimes we would to give you more of a dramatic look. But this one you do not, as the formulas will mix together and not be right. So now with the fibers look basically the same way. They are different. They are now rayon fibers, plant-based rayon fibers, which are absolutely amazing. And then also it's fortified with our Uplift Eye Serum, which is going to condition those lashes to promote longer lashes and not breaking off. As you can see, I just accidentally stuck some fibers on right there. They just come right off. It's perfectly fine. I'm lightly touching it. If I had my face brush right here, I would just use that and just go boop, 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 and they'd come right off. Okay, so now I have the fibers on, and when I applied the fibers, I applied them from the mid lash up. You're just adding some volume and some length to mid lash up. You don't want to put it down next to the eye waterline at all. So I did the same thing. I pulled up on that brush to scrape off any extra gel, and I'm going back over. And remember, you want to do a light hand. You can always go back and add more. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. I love this new formula. And I just use the gel on the bottom lashes. I do not add fibers to the bottom lashes. You can always go back and add a little bit more gel to seal those fibers in. And again, a very light hand. And another thing you want to have is our lash brush. These are metal and they're very thin, so it's going to work great to straighten out any rogue lashes or rogue fibers. And what I like about this formula also is you can go back. I already did this lash. I already did this eye earlier and it's completely dry. You can go back and still use that brush and it gets right in between those lashes, meaning that your lashes are not hard and stuck together like the other formula. They're very soft and they're still spreadable. So absolutely fantastic. Look at this 3D Fiber Lash Plus mascara. I love it. It's giving me length and volume. It's giving me the length and the volume that I used to get in 2 to 3 applications of the other formula. Hi, boys. Say hi. Hi. And so it's great. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you later. Bye.